All right, it's time to bring our site to life. In this lesson, we'll explore the incredible animations built into Wix Studio. I'll walk you through a few, then leave you to dive in and get creative. To demonstrate some animations, let's scroll down to our services section and we'll add some different types of animations to this section. Let's start with the title. We'll click on our services and make sure we select the text. Again, you can use the breadcrumbs and make sure you're actually selected on the text itself. With the text selected, let's go to the top of the inspector panel and click on the Animations and Effects tab. From here, you're going to see different types of animations we can add. For this title, let's add in an entrance effect. We'll click Add under Entrance and we'll see some different options. Let's choose Glide from the top right-hand corner. And then at the bottom, we can choose Adjust Animation. Here we can make any changes that we like, and then hit Preview at the bottom to preview the animation. If we scroll up on the site and hit Preview, now we can see this animation happen when we scroll down to Services. You'll see that the title glides in from the left. Let's go back to Edit Site and add in some new animations. This time, let's click into the repeater and make sure we're selected on the text. Now, in the inspector panel, let's add a hover effect. We'll drop down Hover and click Add. Let's go to the bottom and add a color effect. We can select color, hit Adjust Animation, and change the color to anything that we'd like. I'll choose an orange color. Again, let's hit Preview and preview the animation. As we hover over our first service, you'll see that it changes color. Because this is a repeater, this also is going to change all the other items. Let's go back to Edit Site and add another effect. Another cool effect we can do is add another hover animation to affect another element. So let's click on Add. This time, we'll choose the animated element to be the text, and we'll make the effect expand. Now, let's hit Preview and check this out. As we hover over the service, you'll see that not only does it change color, but the paragraph expands. And again, this is occurring on every item. Now that you can see how we can add an animation to an element that controls an animation on another element, let's take this a step further. Scroll down to our team and we'll add in some new animations. Let's create an effect where when we hover over the teammate, it shows a biography. So first let's add in that biography paragraph. We'll go to Add Elements, go to Quick Add, and drag in a paragraph. From here, you can change the size or align it however you like. Now let's set up the effect. We'll use the breadcrumbs to select the item. We'll go over to the Animations panel and add a hover effect. We want the animated element to be the paragraph. So we'll select the paragraph and then choose Appear. Now if we preview, we'll see the effect take place. Before we hover over the items, there is no paragraph of their bio. But as we hover over each item, the bio will appear. Okay, now you understand how to add, customize, and control animations in Wix Studio. The best part about animations is it allows you to get creative and make your site your own. Before you move on to the next lesson, I encourage you to explore the rest of our animations and add some more to your site. Then, when ready, I'll see you in the next one.